Hi everyone, welcome to Tinisi Health Talk. My name is Tinisi, and today we are going to talk about a very simple topic, but yet it's very incredible and essential for our health. Yes, so today we are going to talk about hands washing. We are going to talk about hand washing. So why hand washing matters? Why make hand washing so important? Why make it matters to us? One, it prevents the spread of infection. Yes, when you practice hand washing, frequent hand washing, it helps to prevent the spread of diseases and infection. Secondly, it reduces the risk of diseases like colds, COVID-19, fluid, all those diseases. It also helps. Even when you sneeze, the cold, it helps to prevent it. That is why hand washing is very vital to us. It is essential in healthcare and safety. It's very important. We are in the healthcare sector. It's very important we practice hand washing when you go to the hospital, you go to the clinic, even when you treat patients. Make sure you wash your hands frequently. Even before working on your patient, wash your hands. After working on your patient, wash your hands. So hand washing is very important. So it saves millions of lives globally. I love this part. Yes, I love it. It saves millions of lives globally. So just imagine if we all practicing frequent hand washing, what will happen? We are going to save millions of lives. In your home, encourage your children, encourage your kids to practice hand washing. Make sure you encourage your create awareness. When you see somebody eating, maybe they are not washing your hand in your home, tell them wash your hands before even touching your food. To save life, to save somebody's life, to save your sibling's life, to save your husband's life or your spouse's life, or even to save your own self life. So let us practice good hand washing. So hand washing is one of the most effective ways in preventing the spread of illness or germs, whether in schools, in hospitals, and in homes. Clean hands save life. That's the point. Clean hands save life. Just imagine our hands will hold things, will hold table, will hold our back, our body. When our body is sweating, when we are dehydrating. If you don't wash your hands, you just go and touch that food. You don't know whether that food is already and your hands is contaminated. Definitely put that food in your mouth. That germ right there, you are going to eat a lot of germs. Your hand might look clean, but it's not clean once you did not wash it. So it's very important that you wash your hands clean. So when to wash your hands? When should we wash our hands? That's the question. When should we wash our hands? When? Okay, so you can just put it in the comment section. So let me give mine. When to wash your hands? Before eating or handling food. So before you hold your food or even taking your food to eat, make sure you wash your hands. Then after using the restroom, whether you go and peep, after using the restroom, make sure you wash your hands. Don't just come outside like that. Don't come outside like that. Make sure you wash your hands when you use the restroom, okay? After coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose. Yes, many of us will just sneeze our hands, and we'll just sneeze in our hands like like that. So sometimes we'll use our hands to clean our nose. Pick in our nose, pick on our face. So it's very important to wash our hands, right? Make sure that you wash your hands when you sneeze, and whenever you are sneezing, don't sneeze in your palm. You can use your elbow, in your elbow, sneeze. At least it will be very okay. According to WHO, we should sneeze in our elbow. So don't just sneeze in your palm. Or even if you finish sneezing, wash your hands. When you cough in your palm, wash your hands. Do not just sit. So after caring for someone who is sick, so it comes back to us, right? If your family member is sick, or if you are working in the hospital, make sure that you wash your hands. Practice, let us just practice freaking hand washing. Yes. So when to wash your hands, these are key points that I'm listing, that when you take care of when you are taking care of a sick person, make sure that you wash your hands. After using the restroom, wash your hands. Before eating or handling your food, wash your hands. So you can also put your own in the comment section as well. Then knowing when to wash your hands is just as important as doing it. It's very important, like I said, right? So these everyday movements are key opportunities to stop germs. So when we practice frequent hand washing, it helps us to stop germs. Germs, they are small living things, very small living things that we cannot even see. We cannot see it with our naked eyes. If you have a germs on your hands, you don't know unless you use a microscope. So let us practice good hand washing, right? So how germs spread, or how germs spreading? So through direct contact, shaking hands. Like some of us, we like to shake hands, we like to hug. So there's how germs spread. How do germs spread? Through direct contact. Germs can spread when you hug somebody, when you shake somebody's hands. These are ways that germs can spread. Touching contaminated surfaces. When you're walking, maybe not even when you're walking, most often like kids, even with the bigger ones, we touch surfaces. Now I'm touching this decks, I'm touching things. As soon as I finish, I'm supposed to wash my hands. So after touching surfaces, those surfaces, things can crawl on it. Make sure that you wash your hands as well before you spread germs, or before we spread germs, right? So transferring from hand to face, eyes, nose, and mouth. You see, our hands. We use our hands to rub our face, our eyes, when our eyes itching, when our nose itching, when our skin itching, we use our hands. So as soon when you finish, wash your hands. When you finish rubbing your face, you finish rubbing your eyes, like this, make sure that you wash your hands before you contaminate your food, or before you put your hands in your mouth mistakenly, or before you touch your food, then you contaminate your food. Then at the end of the day, when you contaminate your food, at the end of the day, when you eat that food, you come down with a different sickness, and you spend a lot of money. People have a saying, in public health, we have a saying, we say, prevention is less expensive than cure. So let us just practice prevention. And these few tips, the hand washing, when we start practicing it, it will be very good for us. From the other stage, I said, it saves billions of lives, hand washing. If we all start to practice hand washing, we will save millions of lives. So germs are invisible, but can travel easily. You see, germs are invisible. You cannot see germs. You will not see it. Germs will be on your hands, even on your body. You will not. That is why we should wash our hands. I'm talking to you. You that looking at me watching this video. learn to practice hand washing to save your life, to prevent germs, to prevent yourself from infections. So even when you touch surfaces your body, make sure that you wash your hands. So we are going to teach you how to wash your hands. When you are washing your hands, we are going to teach you how to wash your hands. So for more videos and for more health tips, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. Bye bye.